Have you installed Visual Studio?
Yes, I have installed Visual Studio.
Then have you tried that record and playback?
Actually, I didn't get time to try that record and playback, but I'll be doing it today positively.
Okay.
But I did go through the solution that you gave me that day. So,
Okay.
but I'll try today for sure.
So today we'll see without recording how to write a scripts.
Okay. Yeah.
Here I need to click first 9. So you have to get inspect over this 9 button.
Okay.
System go back. Okay. So when inspecting this 9, just click over this arrow button. You can see that hierarchy of window. So basically it start with the window name of UI calculator window. Under that we have UI item window, then UI item button. Okay. Now here I have to take it the 9 name, it is a 9. Okay. uh, so first of all, if you want to go with, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Hey, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you now. It
Oh,
was showing that the organizer is facing technical difficulties.
okay.
Can you record the session, Kiran, or are you recording it?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay.
Okay. So I think you can see my screen, right? That's fine, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay. So see here, to identify this 9 button 9, we have to travel this two window.
Right, yeah.
Okay. We have to write,
Two parents. Mhm.
yeah, we have to write a script. So I'm creating a normal method. So like this we have to write. So first one, see here, it is a calculator window. So basically it is the window functionality. So while giving with that window, so window, we have to create one object. So give the for creating an object, I think we already discussed. So we have to give the new, then once again the class name. So now this window is nothing but w1 now. So w1 is going to check that property, add which property I'm going to search, like win win window dot property name dot name. What is the property name? It is a calculator. Okay, so the calculator, you can see it here. It's not opening. It's not showing the
It's not
property.
showing the name over there. Calculator.
Yeah, it should show. The control type should not be button. It's a window.
Showing button and showing the name also is 9.
Okay, now it's showing. So the top window name is nothing but calculator. So that what we getting here. So that here I'm mentioning the property dot name. Yeah, but the property name dot name equal to calculator, which we got it here. So second thing, then yeah, class name. What is the class name? Here we giving class frame calculator. calculator frame. Okay, that is nothing but calculator frame. So these are the property of the top window. Then compulsory you have to add what is the window name, title name, window title name for each and every hierarchy. So go to the second hierarchy. So if I'm go with the second hierarchy, its type is a window and its ID is 136. It's not necessary actually. So that second window, why? Because even though there is no proper property at all, they having only that value, ID value. That's not a matter, but we can add it. So
Oh,
win window. I'm giving the second window name new win window of. So this window is present in under that window 1. Then window 2
right.
dot fetch the property by adding that value. So win window dot control ID 137. So 136. Then you could add this title name. So here it is a window 2. Then so 6. 6 is condition type is your control type is button, that name is considered as 6. Okay, so now we found this top window. Then the top in using the top window I just identified the second window. Then later I can able to point out button. So now if it is a button, so you have to give win button of object. What is that object? New of win. So where it is present, it is in second window.
W1.
Then I'm
That is
creating an object.
second.
I'm searching for the property name. So win button dot property name dot name. Yeah, it's a 4. Here you can change it whatever it is. Here if you want to click 9 or whatever it is. Here I just give it as a 6. Then it's a 1 second calculator button. So till this I'm not doing any action over here. First of all, here I did to identify the particular element. Now only I'm going to do click or type whatever it is. So now here I'm just using mouse dot, yeah, it's click. So which one I'm going to click? So that one here I have to mention B1 and save it. So now the what is the B1? The button 6.
Right. Yeah. Button 6.
So I'm just giving M1. We'll see how it works. In your company, are you using desktop application or Windows application? At 6 it's clicked.
I am using. Sorry.
Are you using Windows application or desktop application for testing? Which application you testing in the
Just
company?
for test.
Yeah.
In the company, it's a desktop application.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So like that only you have to get it. So if it is desktop, definitely you have a lot of window. If you want to identify any element,
Okay.
in top of that we have 2 or 3
Right.
windows. You have to navigate and or do that identification of particular element, then only you can do an event, either click or type out like that. So now we can able to click over that
Okay.
button, 6 button. Uh, so next we go for next operation. Then I have to add get a property. Here the control name is 9693 and when control type is window, then whatever the top window remains same. It's not showing actually. Sometimes it's showing, sometimes it's not showing. Then the button name is nothing but add. So remaining things are same. So what we do now, I have to identify that immediate window. Its control ID is 93. Yeah, same thing have to do it here. Yeah, see here. First I'm identify the top window. After that I'm assigning to the second window. That second window I'm assigning to the button. Okay. So the same thing I'm doing
Right.
for plus button also. So the top window is common for all the button. So I just using W1, but here that identification name is getting changed. ID is changed. So it is a 93. You have to change to
Right.
93. So this window W2 underscore 1 I'm assigning to button 2. So that's I mentioned B2. So win button, which is I'm going to click over that operator, add operator, that what here I mentioned. So finally after click over that button 1, I need to click
Okay.
button 2.
Okay.
So after that I need to click over some other button to add. um, Now
Another number.
it's a 131, the controller is 131. So top window remains same.
Right. Yeah. It will change the object name.
So finally I need to give equal. So 1 to 1.
Okay, 1 to 1 for equals.
Yeah.
Okay. There's so many controls on a window.
Mm-hmm.
Generally in applications, there's so many controls on a window. So writing adding controls like this for each and every control.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very tedious task.
Yeah, actually that's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
writing script little bit difficult in CodedUI. So that's the reason that people make it to record.
Okay.
So let me simplify it or later. 1 second. Once I done this.
Okay, we can simplify it further. You're saying.
Sorry.
You're saying that we can further simplify it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'm done. Save it. Okay. Have you saw that?
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. By seeing just for 2 or 3 clicks, we have to write this much code. So I'm writing. So
Right.
I'm going to change or I need to create some customizing things. So I'm just creating one normal class. So to this, I just give the name actions. So this action I make it to public. So here I have to give return type method. Frequently we using Windows. Static.
What are we trying to do? I
Yeah,
mean,
one second.
what? Okay, fine.
Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
I can see your screen, Kiran.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Hmm. Hello?
Yes, Father.
Yeah, I don't know, there were some technical difficulties it was showing.
Sorry.
It was showing some technical difficulties. I
Uh,
mean,
where?
um,
where?
on the top of the screen, it was showing in orange that organizer is facing some technical difficulties. It was showing it again. So probably I wasn't able to. Okay, now I can view your screen.
Okay. Hello. 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 Hello, Sweta.
Hello, yeah, Kiran.
So how long you not able to see my screen?
At least 30 seconds.
Okay. 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 See here, I just simplified everything.
Yeah.
So initially it's a little bit tough, I'm agree, but so I'm going to remove everything. So which we decided before. So we're going to execute only this. That's it. So in M1 I just click over that value. So what is the value? 136 and 3. So the 3 is nothing but a button. This is nothing but a value. So this value is nothing but a method. So here you can see that val. So in that val I'm passing a ID and a button name. Okay, number. So that first window I just created as a generic functions that I put it in
Mm.
action. So in this action you can find there is a window, main window, then sub window, then button. So we need only the three function.
Mm.
So using this we can able to
Okay.
automate it. So for handling this three, I'm creating a one method that is nothing but win button. So finally each and everything is going to coming in the part of win button. So to identify this win button only, we need to find the main window and sub window, everything. So that what we here, I just returning that window conditions by after identifying that first window and second window. For that identifying that first window, we require these are the parameters. So the first one, the calculator is representing your window ID, and this is the name of that first window, and this is nothing but I think 1 second, it's name of type, I think so. Yeah, it's a class name. That second argument considered, third argument is considered as a class name. So that what here we first one is if I'm assigning calculator here, that calculator will refer D here. Then second calculator referring here, and third parameter it's going to refer here. So so you no need to write these things each and every time. You just call that main window cal, so that you can pause that what are the parameter required to project. Then yeah, the similar way to identify the sub window also. In sub window we have to mention the first window parameter, first window object. That window object we capturing here v in the name of v1, that v1 pausing here, this is the title ID. Then this ID I'm going to pass it each and every button. So that button here, yeah, the value of 136 is an ID, and 3 is considered as a button name. So the button name is going to click over that win button object. So finally while giving this val of ID comma on the button name, it's going to performing all those actions, and finally is going to put it in the click actions. So this click action is finally identifying that button BT that I'm returning here. If I'm executing this method, it finally
Okay.
returning button. So we'll see this how it going with. Somewhere error.
Mm.
So once you're done, just try to build it. Why? Because we made it lot of changes. Make sure we are out of
Mm.
error. Yeah, it's now free from error. Okay, see here, I can change whatever the name here.
Mm.
So now I'm going to change it to 9. So this parameter, I think it's not required, but for your understanding, I just give it here. Why? Because there is a two, a first window and sub window. The sub window sometime are not required. Sometime it's need to identify. Then only I can able to find. But in calculator, that sub window is not required. But for your understanding, I just mentioned here. Even though I'm not changing that ID, I can able to identify the different buttons.
Okay. Right. Yeah. We'll see this.
Okay.
Yeah. So IDs are not important. Okay. The sub window is of
Yeah, sub window is not
more
important.
important to the
In
view.
some application, it's mandatory to identify. So that what I'm not skipping here. So best practice is
Okay.
to identifying that sub window also. Okay.
Okay.
So see here, initially I just created a number of lines. Now I just shortcutted everything is now. In future, if you want to change any buttons, come and change it here. So that could be a very easy to handling that script. So these are that way to simplify is our commands. So we have to create a one generic method. So finally we passing some parameter based on our requirement. See here the parameters. So
Yeah.
like this you
Yeah,
have
this
to
is really
understand.
good.
Sorry.
I'm saying this is really good. I mean,
Yeah.
this is not
So
too much of code and it's simple conversation.
yeah, it's easy to maintain or easy to changes. That what you have to learn here. So writing a script and record and playback is very easy, but customizing the code is a little bit difficult. So by practice it will come.
Okay.
Okay, so now so next point here I need to verify. So verify in the sense, so make sure my given data is or giving expected result or not. So here I'm passing 9 plus 5, so definitely have to show it 14. So if it is not matching with that 14, I have to make it a fail. Okay, this is my scenario.
Yeah.
So I just make it a try. So now we'll see. It's successfully verified.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we just started try catch over here. What was the other thing? The get text method.
Yeah, actually see here. So after performing some action over here, I need to capture this result.
Mm.
Okay, for
Right. Yeah.
capturing that result. So I'm returning here the function called get text. So this get text is nothing but that window, that the element name is win text, so that we can get it from that inspector. Then I'm adding that property. What is the name? I'm going to pass it here dynamically. Then finally text. So text is our object, text dot displaying text. So what it displayed in that box, that one, that I am assigning to a string. So that string I'm returning. So that string I'm just use it
Okay.
in our code. Action dot get text is our method. So there there is a three argument. The first one is nothing but the top window. The second argument is a title. Third is a name. So that element name. So better I show
Okay.
it here. It's a result.
That.
Okay, this one I'm using there. So after fetching that results, I just comparing with my expected one. So my expected is 14. So if it is matching with 14, yeah, my test case is going to pass. So in case I just my expectation is 15. So we'll see how it work. So right click. See here it's got failed. So why it's got failed, we'll see. Okay, not able to verify that expected one.
Okay.
Okay, if it's get failed automatically here, it fits the data. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So what I'm trying to say. So
Yes.
this is what we have to automate. Okay. So first you have to automate. First you have to collect the data. I mean that element data, element property. So once you collected all that element property, then you go for scripting. So while going to the script, make sure after performing all your action, whether we are in the right place or not. To verify that, we have to make it a try and catch. So then either you can verify that text, whether we can see that expected one after doing that actions, everything. So in verification, I just show it another one. Here, not only you can verify this particular text, you can verify some other element also. Sorry, some other object also. So like right click over here. Get at that. So there I mentioned display text. So display text, yeah, this is the one, display text. So I'm expecting the display text is 14. Okay, so if you want to check some other element, you can go with this like a height also. So I just mentioning instead of displaying text, height. So what is that height, 28 or not, like that we can
Okay.
get it. So here we I just written like display text. So we have a lot of things here: height, get type, property. So these are the things. See here height and help text. Yeah, is top parent as focus. So all the element will show it here.
Right.
Okay, if you want to verify in
Okay.
future, so either it is false or true, that also we can capture over here. So these are the
Okay. Cool.
kind of verification points we can set it using this method. Is there any doubt till this?
No doubt, but I need to practice them.
Okay.
No doubt as such.
Oh, can you practice this?
Yeah, I'll practice it today.
Okay.
Yeah. Send me the recorded link.
Yeah, 1 second. Oh, so I have to convert that one. Okay, now I upload this code after this what I'm done. So better I will rename this. Sweta, I think you have this shared. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I do have it with me. Yeah. Okay, I'll access it from here.
Then I have to take this thing. Okay. Sweta, can we reconnect at 6 o'clock?
At 6 o'clock?
Yeah. So now I need.
Like what for?
Sorry?
Okay, to continue the session.
No, no, no. I have some little work. Okay. So I just went out. Then some important, some guest is there. So I have to interact. So can I make
Okay.
it at 6?
Tomorrow?
No, no, no. Now it's after 15 minutes.
Okay, now.
Okay.
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 But it's okay, fine. We can have a session tomorrow now. That's okay. You enjoy with your guests.
Oh,
I just practice this out. Or you want to continue?
okay. Tomorrow the same time. Is it okay for you? Oh,
Yeah, perfect.
it's
4 is
okay for you.
perfect. Yeah, it's okay for me.
Okay. So then that recorded video, I will put it that in Drive itself. Okay. You can take it from Drive.
Okay, I'll take it from Drive.
Okay.
Fine, yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.